Good morning, pack leaders. This is Him, friends and I protecting families, protecting the pack. I'm excited to give you guys a new update on the leverage trapper bot, and it's not really a bot yet. It's just a tool. So while I build the rest of this out, you'll be able to see what's going on. So I want to show you how to set up traps to, in a sense, trade breakouts. I'm still working on the Sentinel to monitor the profit line so that when it's trapped and in profit, it'll set a stop profit somewhere along the line where it will start to move and close in on the on the price, depending on how it moves. So for right now, you're gonna have to monitor profit line manually. It's just gonna set it up for you, but you still have to watch it so that if it reverses, you need to set the stop profit yourself. So I'm gonna show you what we have here. So I'm gonna set let's say like, hey, we think it's gonna break up, break down. We don't know if it's gonna break further, but let's say we'll set one here at 8,500 and one at 7,500. So depending where it goes, you can put it tighter, closer. It's up to you. So what you want to do on the leverage trade bot here, or tool, is you want to set the percentage of your wallet that you want to use. I'm gonna put 33%. The leverage you want to use, the entry point, I say it was 9,500. The contract, BTC, and buy. And then you want to make sure you click save so that it's in the system. Okay, once it's saved, also make sure that if there's no API key selected, you make sure that you have the selection saved, so that you know that once that's there, you see it, then it's loaded into the system. You don't see it, then it's not going to use it. Then you click the button create trap, and it'll create the trap in the buy direction from 95. Actually, let me create 8,500 and up. So let me change that to 8,500 real quick, and save it again. And it's going to create the trap. So it's going to kind of the trap is created every $10 up to $30, and after that, it creates it every $33, and after it gets to 100, it creates it every $100. Okay. All right. So let me go ahead and start that up now. Go. There it is. So it creates a market order, buys, sell trigger. Let me kind of zoom in real quick. There, conditional order, limit order, conditional order. So it's gonna sell, buy, and sell, buy, and sell in a graduated form. So it pumps up or down. You'll be able to kind of capture those profits. Okay. Now I'll do another one in here on the short end from 7,500, so you kind of see it creating. So let me go ahead and create a, what's it called? We're down to 7,800. Looks like it's dumping right now. I might as well just create a 7,400. Let's go ahead and create that trap. So you could trade both directions, and it's gonna go ahead and hold on a second. I am doing something that it's not supposed to do right now. I need to kill this. I was supposed to set it to a sell, so it's shorting me now in the other direction. So it's starting to take profit. Anyway, so let me go ahead and create it again. Let's say we see this dump happening right at 7,700. Let's go ahead and create it 7,700, and let's create the trap. So hopefully I set properly now. So it's gonna create there. It's gonna put order there, and it's actually supposed to create a my conditional orders, and that should be there too. Okay. I actually my bad. I create the wrong number. Anyways, if you mess up, it's all good. Click the delete all active limit orders. It will delete all the orders that are active. Boom. So you can do some maintenance there. And then all the untriggered conditional orders, and that will get deleted there. So these are maintenance buttons there. So let's go ahead and create those orders again at 7,700. Sell. I forgot to switch it last time, so I'll probably need to build some kind of error checking here so that we set it to the right spot. So we're at 70 cents profit right now. let's say it's gonna dump more, right? 77 whatever, 779. So let's go ahead and create that 77 at 77. I'll go 775 to 0. It's gonna create the trap. So from 7750 on down, it's gonna trigger a market, sell, trigger market, sell, trigger market, buy, short, and then close it, short and close it, short and close it. Now it's gonna graduate it to there, create the close it, create it this short, and close it again, and then it's gonna create the short order, close it again, and then eventually close it at the very bottom here. Okay. So as it plummets down, it's gonna go ahead and close these orders. So it looks like it's just like I canceled it. Okay, my bad. I don't know. Hopefully I didn't cancel it. I'm trying to find where I'm trying to reset stuff now. Oh, there it is. Okay, so let me fast forward. Somehow I got dragged to the very end. So let's go and see what's going on right now. Alright, so as it's coming down, we can then trap it, and if it reverses, this is where you need that sentinel to that, hey, you know, once it crosses it and it starts to take order and you're in profit, then you can kind of set where that profit line is and capture that profit. So it reverses to then trigger the it to reverse direction. So now you can put 7794 and then go the other direction. 7794. Let's go with the buy. And this is just you need to close this out manually, right? So now I'm taking profit at $1.34, $2. It's plummeting, but now I'm gonna create the other direction now. So if it reverses, then I can close that order and then take it up as it takes up too. So now I'm creating my other orders on the other end. So as it's coming down, it's starting to take profit, taking $2-3 for now, opening, closing, opening, closing. I need to make sure that I'm gonna be the sentinel now to watch where this goes. So now that's negative. Oh man, I gotta close this order before it jacks me up, right? So now I'm in the other direction. But who knows? It could keep coming down. But this is where the sentinel would need to be there to, you know, close in profit, and then reverse the direction and start taking longs as it reverses. Okay. So there's a demonstration of how the trapper bot would work. Okay. It'll trap it as it comes down, but you'll need to make sure that you need to reverse that direction so that it doesn't start taking losses like you see here in the other direction. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and close everything now. Hopefully that demonstrates what I'm trying to do here, and it doesn't recover. It looks like it's pretty crazy, so we're just gonna see what it does. But yeah, all right. Let me close things out now. Let me close up all my. Oh, maybe I should just watch it. I don't know. Anyways, I don't have a sentinel going on right now. I don't want to watch this. Thanks for watching. If you want to get access to the leverage trade bot, it is below. I also have a demonstration of how to get out of order. So let's say I want to exit this position now and sell 80% of my stuff and say, hey, stop loss it out. I'll just click that, and it'll put $25 right there and close it so that it traps it between these two, so that if it goes the other direction, it'll close it, or it hits limit order, it'll close my entire position out. So 614 is my price here. That's $25 away. So if it hits down, it'll close in profit, or if it doesn't, I'll have it in close market order to close it all out as a stop loss. So there you go. Alright, I'm going to close everything. I'm not sure what's going to be happening here. So maintain. So it's a good thing that once you have all these orders, you can just close them all out really fast. Alright, there you go. Hopefully that explains what it does. I'm gonna go ahead and continue shorting this. I don't know, just it looks like it might just break down. So let me just set this real quick. 7730, and just create the trap. Keep it coming. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, and you know, it's kind of cool to do this, but you know, it does suck when you have to type every single part, all these numbers by hand. You don't have to do that anymore. It's all pre-calculated, pre-configured, so that it buys and sells 80% of it, and leaves some behind, so it keeps tracking the profit. Okay, and it goes more, will close more. All right, thanks for watching.